First, I'd like to welcome each of you to Milestone Contractors. My name is CJ Potts, and I'm the president of Milestone.
Hello, my name is Scott Cornelius. I'm the Indianapolis area manager.
Hello, I'm Mark Thompson. I'm Senior Vice President and Area Manager for the Columbus and Richmond and Portland areas.
Hello, my name is Todd Falver, the area manager here in our Bloomington office.
Hello, my name is Doug Pierce, and I'm the Vice President Area Manager for Milestone in the Lafayette area.
Hi, my name is Russell Randall, Safety Director. Welcome to Milestone. In orientation, you're going to go over a lot of information, but I want to point out 3 important things that I want you to remember when you're out there in the field. 1, watch out, be responsible for your own safety. We're going to give you a lot of instructions, best practices and guidance, but it's up to you to follow those. 2, report any unsafe conditions that you see to your supervisor. And then 3, be responsible for watching out for your co-workers, because that's how you create a positive safety culture. And that's what we're about here in Milestone. We're a big company with a family atmosphere. So have pride in your work, have fun, but above all, be safe.
Here at Milestone, we practice something we call the Milestone Way. It's our culture, it's our way of life. It's really why we do what we do. It's not what we do that's important, it's how and why we do it. And a key part of that Milestone Way, one of the most important cornerstones that we focus on within the Milestone Way, is our safety culture.
We talk about safety, and we talk about quality, and we talk about production. Pretty much in those orders. Safety is always first. It's taken years and years to develop a deep safety culture of where we're looking out for each other.
Safety is the #1 priority at Milestone. This applies to pedestrians and the motorists as well as the workers. Every Milestone employee is responsible for their safety as well as the safety of their coworkers. Each Milestone employee has the authority to stop work anytime they feel a situation is unsafe. Work will not resume until that safety concern has been resolved. This authority extends all the way from the newest employee through the president of the company.
We always put safety at the top. We have an excellent team of safety officers here at Milestone that will be on the jobs periodically to see that we are doing things the way that we should be doing them, but each and every one of you are a safety officer. At any given period of time, at any task that you're doing, if you see it being done in an unsafe way, shape, or form, you have the right and the privilege to call time out, ask someone if we're doing it the most safe way that we could possibly do, and question any operations that we have.
But at the end of the day, if you help us plan for safety, if you follow the plan, and if you do what's right, if you do the right thing for safety, you will meet our expectations and help us ensure that everybody goes home safely at the end of the day.
Safety is about families. It's about you, it's about me. It's about going home and doing the things that you like to do when you're not at work. It's about working to live and not living to work. It's about doing those things that we love to do with our families. It's about coming to work and going home as healthy and safe as you came here.
We want to be the kind of contractor that when somebody drives through our job sites, we want someone to look and think, we would like to work for those guys. They know what they're doing, they're working in a safe manner, their job sites are clean, they're conducting business in a professional manner, and that's a company that we would like to work for.
Each Milestone work site begins their shift with a daily huddle. The purpose of the daily huddle is to discuss the day's activities as well as the hazards associated with those activities.
We ask that you please participate in the morning huddles. The morning huddles are our first opportunity for a safe day. It's where we discuss what we'll be doing for the day, what kind of potential hazards we'll be faced with, and what we will do to help protect against those hazards. So please, again, bring your experience, bring your knowledge, and your perspectives. Add input. Again, collectively, if we participate on safety as a team, we will ensure that we're as safe as possible.
If something has happened the previous day or even the previous week before that you're questioning whether it was done in a safe manner, ask your supervisor, ask your co-workers. We want to make sure that we are doing it the safest way possible.
Remember, all pieces of equipment and trucks have the right-of-way on Milestone job sites. Avoid blind spots and make eye contact with the operator or driver before approaching the machine or truck. While on site, you will be required to wear a hard hat, Class 3 safety vest, safety glasses, and steel-toe shoes. You will also be required to carry gloves in case the work you are performing requires them.
Milestone consistently participates in statewide efforts to improve safety in work zones. Be aware there are speeding, distracted, and sometimes impaired drivers traveling through our work zones. When possible, try to position yourself behind a physical barrier. Also, try to minimize the amount of time your back is to traffic.
Our environment's constantly changing, whether it's weather, soil conditions, equipment, truck routes, our proximity to the traveling public. Those things are constantly changing.
So what we have done is partnered with our associations, and we're working with our customers to get safety designed back into these work zones. So we're talking about adding more barrier wall, having our people work behind barrier wall on the projects. We're talking about having alternate routes for the traveling public and having the ability to close roads. That way traffic is away from us. And we're also talking about adding more state police patrols through our work zones to get speeds reduced. We are truly committed to getting our work zones safe again.
You'll learn many things out there about the Milestone Way when you get out around Milestone, and I'll be out there quite a bit as well. I get out 2 to 3 days a week during the construction season, and you're welcome to come share any information you have with me and talk to me anytime you want. You're important to me. At Milestone, titles are what we do, but they're not who we are.
Welcome.
Welcome to Milestone.
Welcome you to Milestone Contractors.
Welcome to Milestone.
Welcome.
Welcome to Milestone.